Yo, it's literally so easy to put up. You can like throw.
You can eat with them.
Hi, my name is Zim and I'm filming EyeOnAiman.
Nice.
I'm tired. You need a rest.
No, there's one time.
I have a tree behind me. What the heck? Yeah, that's good. No, don't do that.
Do you have a double too? Yeah.
I was about to say, this is capitalism at its finest. Dang, and you sound
Hey.
But it's really your fault.
What the heck? Why should I say 4? Oh my God, I'm being called out.
I know, right? I only got 1 to see. Inside the car.
No, your name. There's your age. Oh, I'm 3. There's your age. Okay, so
Martin was like amazing.
Thank you.
I have a Facebook channel or a Facebook page.
When you Where'd it go?
Right there.
I can't see it.
Look now.
Oh! Frog.
It's a froge. It's a brown froge.
I don't see it. Wait. I can see it in real life. I can't see it on the. Oh. It's right there.
It's froge.
I think that's a toad.
It's a I don't know the difference.
It's a Maria.
Froge is just standing there. See it? No. No.
Interesting.
Which is West Hartford
Seriously?
and fucking Dallas. And I don't know which malls you go to and which I didn't know those existed. I didn't know those existed. Literally did not know those existed. I'm sorry. You know, different malls here.
This is La Vie en Rose.
Yo guys, think continue the tradition, but it's up to you guys because me and all your parents we done. We miss Uncle Yus, we miss Uncle Ali. Next year we don't know yet who we're gonna miss, but I hope we're gonna see next year. The only thing that we wish from your dad, your parents, your uncle, me, we wish that you guys continue this as your part of your tradition to keep up as a families. It doesn't matter. You don't have to be fancy. Come with a RV to show off whatever. Just like this is good enough. As long as you guys thinking, hey, once a year at least summertime, pick a place, get together, hang out with you guys. And then maybe when you get married, like Nurul, hey, they are among us, Amirul, they are among us. Next, they're gonna have children. Next time, right? They're gonna have children. Bring it together. Okay, maybe Azim gonna get married, or one of you guys gonna get married. Bring your families, and then you can tell your kid, your family, hey, this is our tradition. We've been through this since our dad's generation, years by years. As far as we can remember, from the day that we can remember, we continue it. At least once a year. Don't matter where you guys living, California, Florida's bad now, or Malaysia. Just get together. Don't have to be one or two calling each other, forcing you guys. Come willing full. And then, when the summertime coming, no matter what you guys did, busy, working, family, hey, keep in touch. Amirul, any plan this year? No, what's going on? Keep asking to have this moment, because this is the precious moment. Like I told Amirul, like I told Hatim, this all what you got. Before you get married, then you can get extended family. Before that, this is all we got, right? If you miss this, if you feel this is not important, well, even though we don't do nothing anyway, hang out around the fire pit and then pool, swimming, make fun on each other. I do apologize, and that's part of having fun. This is nothing. If you think this is nothing, yes, it is nothing. But this is, for me, for us as a parent, this is the important thing, right? To get at least to say hi to each other. And then I know some of you are going to be Boston, some of you are going to be around the world. But once a year, coming home. That's all. All I can say is
Good time!